Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Are you in a long-distance relationship right now? Do you love your long-distance girlfriend and you want to settle down together one day? Do you want to know how to make long-distance work? But do you also feel like you're losing control and she's drifting away no matter what you try? I won't kid you. You're in a difficult situation. Here's the good news though. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make your own long-distance relationship work. Guaranteed. And I'm not talking about keeping your relationship going for just a little while longer. You're about to make your relationship a permanent one. This means that she'll happily settle down with you, and you can start building the relationship you've always dreamed of. Sounds good? Great. However, before we start, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great. Let's continue. Here's what you must understand. Do you know why most long-distance relationships don't work? Well, here's why. The man did too much and the woman did too little. The guy was the one who made the biggest sacrifices and put in the most effort. The woman, she just sat there and watched. Think about that situation for a moment. Who among the two was in the power position? Who was in control over the other? Without a doubt, it was the woman. And that's one huge mistake because 1. When your woman feels more powerful, she sees you as weak. 2. No woman ever feels happy when tied to a weak man. 3. Women only feel truly happy when they're with a strong, dominant, controlling S.O.B. And you're not it. That's why the new long-distance relationships don't last long. It's all wrong from the get-go. So what's the right way to make a long-distance relationship work? Well, I won't kid you. The easiest way to do it is with some mind manipulation. Fair warning. The technique you're about to learn is not for the weak. You'll need balls of steel to pull this off. It's not for the faint-hearted at all. But if you really must have your long-distance girlfriend, then this is the only way to get her. The mind manipulation technique you're going to learn today is called fractionation. It's a storytelling technique that's often used in hypnosis, advertising, entertainment, and politics. Here's what fractionation does. It makes your woman feel emotionally addicted to you. It's the same emotional addiction you might feel towards certain TV shows. For example, Game of Thrones, House of Cards, Silicon Valley. Sports teams. For example, New York Yankees, Dallas Cowboys, Manchester United. Brands. For example, Nike, Adidas, Apple, Porsche, Ferrari. Political figures. For example, Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton, Bernie Sanders. Celebrities. For example, Brad Pitt, Taylor Swift, Kanye West. Video games. For example, Minecraft, Call of Duty, Super Mario. And guess what? It's the same emotional addiction you want your girlfriend to feel towards you. That's the key to make your long-distance relationship with her work. So how do you make your girlfriend emotionally addicted to you? Well, you're going to learn how to do that in 3 steps. Step number 1 is to fake a breakup. You must break up with her so that it puts you firmly back in the power position in the relationship. Now, you might be wondering, isn't that a little harsh? Fair question. Consider this though. If you didn't make the breakup happen, your girlfriend would break up with you first, and you'd lose her forever. Meantime, you're breaking up with her now, but for the sole purpose of saving the relationship. Which of those 2 situations leads to the outcome you want? I rest my case. Faking the breakup is the only way to make her want you just as much as you want her, if not more so. When she's about to lose you, here are the 2 things that will happen, guaranteed. 1. She stops thinking about what she wants. 2. She suddenly starts trying to get you back. You should expect this to shock her. She will try to change your mind. When that happens, tell her, it's okay. You can always find another guy. Needless to say, it will drive her crazy. In fact, expect her to go completely berserk. Then, expect the storm to boil over. She will then mellow down and beg you to come back. And when this happens, she will be at her most vulnerable. And then you can take the second step. Step number 2 is to reluctantly agree to meet. Show some hesitation to meet up with her, but only on your terms. 1. She'll have to meet with you face to face. 2. She'll have to come to you. 3. She'll have to promise not to be crying or screaming during the meetup. Expect her to agree to these terms, and when she sees you, then take the next step, which will seal the deal for you. Before we go into the final step, however, I want you to do this for me. If you have enjoyed this video this far, then subscribe to my channel because that will guarantee that you'll get these videos from me in the future. Go on and click on the subscribe button because I'll wait here. Done subscribing? Great, let's continue. Step number 3 is to seal the deal with fractionation. When she's with you, it's time to use fractionation on her. Remember that she is at her most vulnerable point, and so you must take advantage of the situation when you're powerful. By making her go through an emotional roller coaster, you will make her feel addicted to you emotionally. When this is done, she will be completely agreeable to whatever you want her to do. Then use this opportunity to make her agree to move back to wherever you are so that both of you can live happily ever after. Sounds good, right? Now I want you to answer me honestly. Do you want your long-distance relationship to work out? You know what to do. You must learn fractionation. And here's the best news of all. You can master fractionation right now. Here's the truth. Look here. Your long-distance relationship won't work by itself. And if you try to make it work by doing what your girlfriend wants, you'll still lose her. The only way to make your long-distance relationship work is on your terms, not hers. And fractionation is the key to doing that. Wait too long and she'll lose interest and break up with you first. You don't want that to happen, right? Do the right thing. Master fractionation and she'll be yours for as long as you want. Here's the thing though. I can't explain fractionation in detail in this video. It's already pretty long as it is. And that's why I'd recommend Derek Rigg's legendary Online Masterclass on mind control. After you sign up for Derek's Masterclass, you'll know what fractionation and mind control is, how the technique works, and how to use it on women. A link will now come up in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Rigg's Online Masterclass comes up. There, enter your best email address because that's where your Masterclass ticket will be sent. Do it. Click on the link now.